Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to manually sync video and audio in DaVinci Resolve's Media tab. This is incredibly useful when you've recorded audio separately from your video and need to align them perfectly before you start editing. Let's jump right in. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application. Once it loads up, take a look at the bottom of your screen where you'll see several workspace tabs. Make sure you're currently on the Media tab. This is where you'll be doing all the syncing work before moving into the edit or cut pages. The Media tab gives you a clean workspace to prepare your clips properly. Now click on your video clip to select it. You'll want to adjust the playhead to the exact time where you want to sync the audio. This might be a clap, a flash, or any visual cue that matches up with your audio file. Scrub through your video carefully and find that specific moment. This visual reference point is crucial because it's what you'll be matching your audio to in just a moment. Once you've positioned your video clip correctly, it's time to work with the audio. Click on your audio file to select it. Now look towards the top right of your screen and you'll see a tab labeled Audio. Click on this Audio tab. This opens up the waveform view, which makes it much easier to see the peaks and patterns in your sound. From here, adjust the audio playhead to the matching point where it should sync with your video. You're looking for the same moment, whether it's a clap sound or another sync point that corresponds to what you saw in the video. Once everything is set and both your video and audio are positioned at the correct sync points, you'll notice a link icon appearing on the right side of the screen. This link icon is what binds your video and audio together. Go ahead and click it. This action locks the two clips together, creating a synced clip that you can now move to your timeline without worrying about them drifting apart. And that's it. You've successfully manually synced your video and audio in DaVinci Resolve's Media tab. Your clips are now perfectly aligned and ready for editing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.